This is your map master at USGoldMaps.com. In this tutorial, I'm going to go over some of the very basics of using our map. Keep in mind, this is a limited free download demo, and I'm basically using this file just for example purposes so you can get a clear picture of how everything works. Now, you'll notice in the left-hand column, all of my gold maps are listed that I have opened into Google Earth. You'll first see the abandoned placer map, the active placer map, then occurrence, past producer, producer, and prospect maps from the federal level. Now, you're probably familiar with Google Earth, and if you are not, this will help you a little bit more. But basically, you can select any one of these to give your layers. As you can see, the claims were also showing up there. And the federal level maps are identified by colored balloons. And any one of those balloons can be clicked on, and more mine details can be gathered by clicking Complete Mine Details. For the state claims, you can zoom into any one of these, click on that, and get the details for that claim. Now you will notice a legend in the left-hand column, and that legend will appear or disappear based on which maps you have selected. So you can layer that over your producer, past or prospect locations, for example, if you want to get a better insight into where claims are in location to federal sites. So if I back up the map here, you can see all locations. I'm going to click through and remove some of these, and you'll notice the active claims right up through here. You can kind of see the blue color, the active claims, and as soon as you get a little closer, and on a full live version, you're going to see a lot more color than this. Again, this is just a demo, and just so everything can be explained pretty clearly and very easy to see. Now, alternatively, you can go to one of these maps. For example, let's go to the current prospects. I want to identify a few of those. I'm going to click on this left arrow to drop down my map. Now, on some very large files, some states have very many records. This can take a moment to load in Google Earth. We've found that Basecamp is much faster for searching for specific locations, and that's why we are currently building our Garmin Basecamp line, which you can find currently in the state of California on our website, and we will have more in the next coming week. But as you can see, you can actually select any one of these locations, double click on it, and you'll be taken directly to the location. So if there is a site specifically you're searching by name, you can drop right into it simply by double clicking it in the left side. And that can kind of give you a little bit of insight onto where that's located. And you can zoom out, of course, to get a little better perspective of the terrain and things like that. Now, as far as our claims, or active and abandoned claims, same applies, where we can select a specific location. You can click on that, and the map will take us directly to that location. And as you can see, there it is. And I'm going to X that out. And again, you have all the features of Google Earth to really get some perception of what the terrain looks like in these specific areas. This can be pretty useful for and very entertaining for doing research and having fun with finding out where gold is likely to be found or might be found. So it's be very, very entertaining. Well, thanks for watching, and that was a basic overview of our new USGM quad view maps and our traditional active and abandoned claim maps. Thanks for watching.